insomnia, which has plagued hundreds of thousands, even millions of people, including very smart, productive people. Today, we will tackle insomnia, a simple remedy which is completely free, which you can do right from the comfort of your home. You don't even have to spend 5 minutes for it. And you don't have to go to some fancy gym, or you don't need to buy some fancy equipment for that. So, friends, without a further ado, let's get started. So, are you one of those people who suffer from insomnia? You can't fall asleep in your bed. You go to bed, you feel tired, but your mind is active and you're just tossing and turning. And then in the morning, you don't have energy. You don't feel like getting up, leaving your bed, putting away your quilts and blanket, and you don't feel excited for the day. And in daytime, you don't feel focused, you don't feel energetic for the stresses of life. So, what is that effective tool which you can do within a minute, or within a few minutes right from your home? Yes, my friends, we are talking about cold shower. Cold shower, oh my goodness, it will make me cold, it will make me shiver. How I'm going to do it? We'll answer all those questions. So, cold shower is not for everyone, but it's a very effective tool. But why? Why cold shower is an effective tool for insomnia? To understand that, you have to understand a hormone called cortisol. Cortisol, isn't it a stress hormone? Yes, many people call it stress hormone. I call it as a wakefulness hormone. Why? Because, listen, when you are awake, you have to deal with the life. Life throws at you 10,000 things. That's why in Buddhism, I'm not a Buddhist, or this is not a spiritual talk, but Buddha says life is suffering. It is. Life is suffering, and a part of suffering is physical suffering, but majority of suffering is all mental suffering. Even though I'm sitting in comfort in my home, but I'm thinking of 10,000 things. Oh, my bills, my kids, my spouse, and my health, and my bank balance, and XYZ, on and on and on. All those things are stress. You can't fall asleep when all those things are going in your mind. So let's come back to, I took a little diversion. Let's come back to cortisol. What is the role of cortisol? So cortisol helps you deal with the stresses of life. But there is a rhythm. Cortisol should be when you are dealing with the life, and cortisol should go away when you are trying to sleep, because that time you don't need cortisol. Cortisol will wake you awake and you can't fall asleep. So effectively, you need a high cortisol when you wake up in the morning, and you don't need cortisol when you go to bed. So that's why naturally it should be, this is how it's supposed to be by the circadian rhythm of the body. Your cortisol should be highest when you wake up, and it should be at the lowest around 10-11. But what happens? People don't have enough cortisol in the morning, many of us, and they don't feel energetic enough to leave their bed. And when they go to bed, they have too high cortisol, and they don't feel tired, or they don't feel sleepy. So, how to solve this problem? We have to use this tool, cold shower, which helps get our cortisol level high in the morning. So, we use the cold shower in the morning. And yes, in the beginning, it will be a self training. You have to train yourself that, yes, it's not going to be comfortable, but I'm going to do it. It's not going to last 2 hours. It's going to last 30 seconds. Start with 30 seconds, start with 10 seconds. And but what is the upside? Apart from sleep, you will feel it will work better than coffee. It will just wake you up. without making you anxious. Coffee can make you anxious, especially people who have tendency for anxiety. They feel jittery, they feel anxious. But a cold shower just make you wakeful and energetic enough without giving you anxiety. On the opposite, cold shower is used as an anxiety relief tool. Yes, you have heard that right. Okay, so that is the another advantage. And to top this up and to add the further benefit of a shower, what you can do about half an hour before going to bed, you can use a warm shower. Yes, a comfortable hot warm shower, which I wouldn't advise too hot, but just warm. So that helps you relax, and then you don't open your TV, your phone, and any bright screens. You can open a relaxing book and read your book, and you're ready for bed. Don't think about your bank balance and 10,000 things which are going wrong. No, that time is not for thinking or problem solving. If something is going on in your mind, write it down on a piece of paper. You'll address that in the morning. All right. So that's the topic for today. Until next time, namaste. Here's another thing. If you want to take a quick health checkup, I have inserted a link in which there are very simple questions. You can answer them and it will give you a health score, which can give you an insight about the status of your health. Please use it. It is completely free. And until next time, namaste again. And other interesting topics related to staying healthy and slowing down the aging process. Stay blessed. Namaste. Adios. Zaizan. Khuda Hafiz. Alvida.